Bagaha is a town in West Champaran, Bihar, India. Nestled in the northern part of the state, it is a place where history, culture and nature converge. The town is known for its scenic beauty and its strategic location near the Gandak River, which has played a significant role in shaping its landscape and the lives of its inhabitants. The Gandak River, also known as the Narayani in Nepal, is a major river in Nepal and India. It flows through the town of Bagaha, providing a lifeline to the local communities. The river is not just a geographical feature, it is an integral part of the town's identity and daily life. Originating from the majestic Himalayas, the Gandak River travels a long distance before reaching Bagaha. Its journey from the snow-capped peaks to the plains of Bihar is a testament to the river's enduring strength and significance. The river's waters are fed by the melting glaciers, making it a perennial source of water for the region. Bagaha's proximity to Nepal adds another layer of cultural and economic significance to the town. The border region is a melting pot of traditions, languages and customs, creating a unique blend of Indian and Nepalese influences. This cross-border interaction has enriched the cultural fabric of Bagaha, making it a vibrant and diverse community. The town of Bagaha is steeped in history, with numerous landmarks that tell the story of its past. From ancient temples to colonial-era buildings, the town's architecture reflects its rich heritage. Cultural festivals are a regular feature in Bagaha, celebrating the town's traditions and bringing the community together. The lush green landscapes surrounding the town add to its charm, making it a picturesque destination. The Gandak River has not only shaped the physical landscape of Bagaha, but also the lives of its people. The river is a source of sustenance, providing water for drinking, irrigation, and other daily needs. It is also a place of recreation and social interaction where people gather to fish, bathe, and celebrate festivals. The river's presence is deeply woven into the fabric of life in Bagaha. Agriculture is the backbone of Bagaha's economy, and the Gandak River plays a crucial role in supporting this sector. The river's waters irrigate the fertile fields, enabling the cultivation of a variety of crops. Farmers rely on the river to sustain their livelihoods, and the river's bounty ensures that the fields remain productive. Additionally, the river serves as a means of transportation, with boats ferrying people and goods across its waters. Bagaha is a town that seamlessly blends its rich past with modern developments. Historical sites stand as a testament to the town's heritage, while new infrastructure and facilities reflect its progress. The town is evolving with improvements in education, healthcare and transportation, enhancing the quality of life for its residents. This balance between tradition and modernity makes Bagaha a unique and dynamic place. The town's location near the Nepal border has facilitated a long history of trade and cultural exchange. Markets in Bagaha are bustling with activity, showcasing a variety of goods from both India and Nepal. This cross-border trade has not only boosted the local economy, but also fostered a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect between the two nations. Cultural exchanges, including festivals and fairs, further strengthen these ties, making Bagaha a hub of vibrant interactions. The people of Bagaha are known for their warmth and hospitality. Traditional celebrations are an integral part of life here, with festivals bringing the community together in joyous harmony. Whether it's a religious festival, a cultural event, or a local fair, the spirit of togetherness and celebration is always evident. The friendly locals are always ready to welcome visitors, sharing their customs and traditions with pride. The vast green fields that surround Bagaha are a testament to the town's agricultural prowess. Farming is not just an occupation here, it is a way of life. The fields are meticulously tended to by hard-working farmers who take great pride in their work. The sight of these lush fields is a reminder of the town's deep connection to the land and the importance of agriculture in sustaining its economy and way of life. Bagaha is increasingly becoming a destination for tourists seeking an authentic rural experience. Visitors are drawn to the town's natural beauty, historical sites, and cultural richness. Rural tourism offers a glimpse into the daily lives of the locals, allowing visitors to experience their hospitality and traditions firsthand. From exploring the scenic landscapes to participating in local festivals, tourists leave Bagaha with a deeper appreciation for its unique charm and vibrant community. Bagaha, a town steeped in history, has witnessed the rise and fall of many different rulers over the centuries. Each era has left an indelible mark on the town, contributing to its rich and diverse heritage. From ancient dynasties to colonial powers, Bagaha has been a silent witness to the ebb and flow of time. The Mauryas, one of the earliest and most powerful dynasties in Indian history, were among the first to establish their presence here. Their influence can still be seen in the ancient ruins scattered around the town. Following them, the Mughals, with their grand architectural style, left a lasting legacy that continues to draw historians and tourists alike. The old forts and temples of Bagaha stand as silent sentinels, narrating tales of a bygone era. These structures, with their intricate carvings and robust architecture, offer a glimpse into the town's glorious past. They are not just buildings, they are storytellers, each stone whispering secrets of the past. Bagaha's significance is not limited to ancient history. The town played a crucial role during India's struggle for independence. It was a hotbed of revolutionary activities, with many freedom fighters finding refuge here. The town's strategic location made it an ideal place for planning and executing key operations against the British rule. During the freedom movement, Bagaha served as a safe haven for many freedom fighters. Hidden places and secret meeting spots were scattered throughout the town, providing shelter and support to those who fought for India's independence. These places are now revered as symbols of courage and resilience. The stories of these brave souls are still remembered and celebrated in Bagaha. Memorials, statues and plaques have been erected in their honor, ensuring that their sacrifices are never forgotten. These monuments serve as a reminder of the town's pivotal role in shaping the nation's history. One of the most iconic landmarks in Bagaha is the Congress Temple, a 200-year-old building that stands as a symbol of the town's involvement in the freedom struggle. This historic building has witnessed numerous significant events and continues to be a place of great importance for the local community. Today, Bagaha is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, with a rich blend of Bhojpuri and Maithili traditions. The streets are alive with the sights and sounds of this cultural diversity, from traditional attire to local dialects. This harmonious coexistence of different cultures is one of Bagaha's most defining characteristics. The cultural diversity of Bagaha is most evident during its numerous festivals. These celebrations are a testament to the town's rich heritage and the harmonious blending of different traditions. Each festival brings its own unique flavor, adding to the town's vibrant cultural mosaic. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is one of the most eagerly awaited celebrations in Bagaha. The entire town is adorned with twinkling lights, creating a magical and joyous atmosphere. Families come together to celebrate, lighting lamps and bursting fireworks, making the town bright and happy. Another significant festival is Chhath Puja, during which people gather by the Gandak River to pray to the sun god. This ancient festival is marked by rituals and offerings, with devotees standing in the river to offer their prayers. The sight of the riverbank filled with worshippers is truly a sight to behold. Holi, the festival of colors, transforms Bagaha into a vibrant and colorful spectacle. People of all ages come together to celebrate, throwing colored powders and water at each other. The air is filled with laughter and joy as the town becomes a canvas of bright hues. These festivals are more than just celebrations. They are a vital part of Bagaha's social fabric. They bring people together, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Through these shared experiences, the people of Bagaha continue to honor their rich history and cultural heritage. Farming is very important in Bagaha. This small town in Bihar thrives on agriculture, which is the backbone of its economy and culture. The fields here are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers who have been cultivating this land for generations. The Gandak River makes the land fertile, providing the much-needed water supply that nourishes the crops. This river is a lifeline for the farmers, ensuring that their fields remain lush and productive throughout the year. So there are lots of crops. The diversity of crops grown here is astounding, ranging from staple grains to a variety of vegetables and fruits. This diversity not only supports the local diet but also contributes to the economic stability of the region. Rice grows in the fields. The sight of rice paddies stretching out as far as the eye can see is a common one in Bagaha. Rice is a staple food here, and its cultivation is a major part of the agricultural activities. Wheat turns the fields gold. During the harvest season, the fields are transformed into a sea of golden wheat, swaying gently in the breeze. This golden hue is a symbol of prosperity and abundance for the farmers. Sugarcane, a sweet plant, grows tall. The tall stalks of sugarcane are a common sight in Bagaha, and they play a crucial role in the local economy. Sugarcane is not only used for making sugar, but also for producing jaggery, a traditional sweetener. The air smells sweet from the sugarcane. During the harvest season, the air is filled with the sweet aroma of sugarcane, adding a unique charm to the rural landscape. These crops are how people earn money, and they are part of Bagaha's culture. The agricultural practices here are deeply rooted in tradition, and they reflect the cultural heritage of the region. Farming is not just a means of livelihood, but a way of life for the people of Bagaha. Farmers work hard to grow food. The dedication and hard work of the farmers are evident in every aspect of their daily lives. From ploughing the fields to sowing seeds and harvesting crops, their efforts ensure that the community has a steady supply of food. The markets are full of colorful fruits and vegetables. The local markets are a vibrant display of the region's agricultural bounty. Here, you can find a wide variety of fresh produce, from juicy fruits to crisp vegetables, all grown locally. The markets are not just for buying and selling, they are also places where people meet and talk. These markets serve as social hubs where people come together to exchange not just goods, but also stories and news. They are an integral part of the community life in Bagaha. It's easy to get to Bagaha because it has roads and a train station. Trains come from big cities like Patna and Delhi. The roads to Bagaha go through pretty areas. Highways connect the town to other places. Buses are a cheap way to travel. You can also take a car or taxi. The trip to Bagaha by road or train is interesting. You can see the countryside. Good transportation helps businesses and brings tourists. It also helps farmers get their crops to markets. Bagaha is a peaceful place with beautiful nature. The Gandak River is a nice place to watch the sunrise and sunset. The Valmiki Tiger Reserve and Valmiki National Park are great for seeing animals. You can see tigers, elephants, leopards, and birds. A jeep safari is exciting. There are also old temples for quiet reflection. Bagaha knows that education is important. There are many schools and colleges. Kids can go to school from primary all the way to higher secondary. Government schools are free. Private schools and colleges give more choices. Coaching centers help students prepare for tests and get good jobs. Education is changing Bagaha. More students, especially girls, are going to college. This is good for the town's future. Bagaha has many different kinds of people. People of different religions, languages, and traditions live together. Most people speak Hindi and Bhojpuri. The streets are full of friendly people talking. Most people are Hindu, then Muslim, and other religions. Temples and mosques are next to each other. Everyone gets along well. People help each other during festivals and hard times. Bagaha has some problems, like many small towns. The roads, hospitals, and sanitation need to be better. The Gandak River sometimes floods, which hurts homes and farms. Unemployment and poverty are also problems. Farming is the main job, but the town needs more jobs. Even with these problems, the people of Bagaha are hopeful. They want a better future. The town has potential and the people are determined. Bagaha has history, culture, and friendly people. It has some problems, but it is growing. The government, local people, and groups are helping Bagaha get better. Better roads, schools, and hospitals are making things better. Bagaha is close to Nepal and the Gandak River, which is good for business and tourism. Bagaha can become a successful town. The people are strong, friendly, and believe in a good future. Bagaha is an example of a small town getting better.